Good morning. I tried to do a video last night of these frogs that are hanging out at my door, but it didn't come out clearly, so these little green frogs, there's only one there today, but last night they were up there above my door. That's my door. I love it, man. It's so cute. This morning I wanted to show you guys. There's some harvesting going on today. I probably should be helping them, but that whole field was done that I showed you earlier, and now they're starting on this field. And this one looks a lot more manually labored than the other one. And this field over there has just been finished too. So there's the machine they use.